Everybody, my name is Stephanie Robles. Oh my gosh, I'm so beyond ecstatic. You can see I'm feeling great. I just finished cutting my grass and I'm just enjoying that process. One of my favorite things to do is cutting grass. I remember when I was a little kid, we used to have this huge grass. I mean, it was like a football field. And it was really, really big. And just cutting the grass and the greenery, it was so relaxing. And sometimes it helps to just unplug from everything. This weekend I went to my mom's house and I had so much fun. The kids had a ball. And it was just fun. It was almost like a little mini vacation. We got to just be with family and enjoy that. And sometimes that's just what you need. It isn't about spending so much money on anything. It's just spending that time with family and just enjoying a good barbecue. The kids are running. And that process fills you up emotionally. Sometimes it's not that you're physically tired, but a mental exhaustion, that you're just kind of tired from all the everyday to day things that you do in your life, and you're just like, I can't do it, I'm stressed out. And then it could be something simple as just doing something like going to your mom's house for the weekend or spending time with family and just hanging around them, getting out of that mindset space and just going and enjoying family can actually be the most emotionally fulfilling thing, and doing nothing and having an amazing time. It kind of brings you back to a place where you're like, oh, okay. Sometimes it's great to see where you were and where you come from, and then come back home and like, okay, let's just tackle whatever is going to happen today. Let's just go there and do it. And it makes you feel like you can just take on anything. And sometimes we forget that it puts you in a different headspace. I did not Facebook. I did my quotes and then I just chilled. And it was great. And it was amazing. And sometimes your life, you're so distracted as well. Like, we have so many distractions going on in an everyday basis that it's good to just unplug. Just have 1 or 2 days out of the week where you put away your Facebook, you turn off your cell phone, you turn off all internet, and you just go outside and you just have fun. Or you just sit inside and just read a book. I forgot how much I miss. I'm one of those people that I can curl up with a good book and be by myself and be content. And it just fulfills it. It fulfills me and it makes me happy. And then coming outside and cutting grass does it too. I love it. I love it. And looking at my grass, I think I inherited that from my dad. We would always sit back after we would finish cutting grass and just observe the grass that he did that was so perfectly cut, because it was just so perfect. And it's great. It's amazing. And just sit here and close your eyes and feel the warmth of the breeze. There's a beautiful cool breeze just blowing in the air, and you're just out there. You're not thinking about allergies. You're not thinking of your eyes watering or bugs. You're just simply enjoying it. And I love that. I love that piece. And that peace is something that you have to conserve it. Conserve it. Whatever gets you that in that process, in that moment, and brings you that calming peace. Does happen like that it just brings you a peace, and you come back with this just different air about yourself. You're not like this before, and you're just happy and you're just enjoying that moment. And I had to share that huge advice because it kind of just resonated with me today. Today just happened to be one of those unplug moment days. Instead of scrolling Facebook for 2 hours looking at crazy videos and laughing, doing something profoundly, just cutting grass, drinking some water, hydrating, enjoying family. I love it. It brings me peace. And I hope you guys find that enjoyment in that peace in everything that we do in a day-to-day basis. Always hold on to those pieces. When the world is quiet and nobody's calling you, there's no text messages, there's no phone, there's nothing. It's just peaceful. And it's a rare thing that happens. Sometimes you hear it at 5 a.m, and I think that's why I like being an early bird, waking up so early and listening to the profound peacefulness of it. We all need that, and we look for that. We crave that peace because it gives you a little bit of mental clarity sometimes. I don't know. It's something that I think that happens, and you have your aha moments at the most inopportune times, but that's when it happens. So I hope you guys have an amazing, wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. You are so welcome for this message. I'm beyond blessed that you guys actually decided, to come on here and listen to my little corner of the method to the madness, my happiness and those joyful moments and